Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated pickup trucks of the future, the 2026 Toyota Hilux. Though not officially revealed yet, there's a storm of rumors, leaks, and insider whispers surrounding this beast, and it's already making waves among off-road and utility vehicle fans worldwide. So, let's explore what might be coming under the hood and beyond. With a close look at this upcoming legend, the Toyota Hilux has long held a reputation for being almost indestructible. From the streets of Bangkok to the deserts of Australia and the mountain trails of South America, Hilux has been a go-to truck for power, reliability, and rugged charm. But for 2026, Toyota seems ready to take things to an entirely new level. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed the full specs, trusted automotive insiders suggest this next-gen Hilux will be based on the TNGA-F platform, the same platform that underpins the new Land Cruiser and the Tundra. This means you can expect serious improvements in ride comfort, stability, and safety without sacrificing durability. Under the hood, we're likely to see a shift toward hybrid powertrains. Toyota has already been experimenting with hybrid systems in trucks, and it makes perfect sense to see a mild hybrid or even a plug-in hybrid version of the 2026 Hilux. A 2.8-liter turbo diesel hybrid has been rumored, with extra torque to handle tough terrain and towing duties. For those concerned about performance, don't worry. This won't be your average fuel-saver hybrid. The Hilux is expected to deliver serious pulling power with improved fuel efficiency, aligning with Toyota's global goal of reducing emissions without compromising capability. In terms of design, spy shots and early renders suggest a bolder, more aggressive front grille, sharper LED headlights, and an overall muscular stance. Think modern and intimidating. The rear end is expected to be slightly redesigned as well, with sleeker taillights and a more functional tailgate. The 2026 model might also come with better ground clearance, more durable suspension, and upgraded underbody protection, perfect for those who love serious off-roading. Inside the cabin, comfort and tech are set to get a major upgrade. A larger touchscreen with the latest Toyota infotainment system, digital driver displays, premium seat materials, and advanced safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system are all expected. Toyota is likely targeting both the rugged worker and the luxury adventurer with this model, but here's the long-kept secret: Toyota is working closely with engineers from their Gazoo racing team to develop a special performance variant of the Hilux. Yes, a Hilux GR. This might include sport-tuned suspension, aggressive styling, and potentially a turbocharged powertrain, making it not just a workhorse but a wild off-road machine. While Toyota remains tight-lipped for now, the 2026 Hilux is SH.